The morning cold and raining, dark before the dawn could come. How long in twilight waiting, longing for the rising sun. You came like crashing thunder, breaking through these walls of stone. You came with wide-eyed wonder into all this great unknown. Hush now, don't you be afraid. I promise you I'll always stay. I'll never be that far away. I'm right here with you. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You came amazing right into my heart. You're so amazing. You You came from heaven, shining breath of God still fresh on you. The beating heart inside me crumbled at this one so new. No matter where, how far you wander, for 1,000 years or longer, I will always be there for you, right here with you. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You keep blazing right into my heart. You're so amazing. You are. I hope your tears are few and fast. I hope your dreams come true at last. I hope you find love that goes on and on and on and on and on. I hope you wish on every star. I hope you never fall too far. I hope this world can see how wonderful you are. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You can be blazing right into my heart. You're so amazing. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You can be blazing
Listen, I'm amazed at how time flies indeed. Seems just like yesterday when you were just a baby, and now you are a full-grown young lady presented to society. You have been good, and I hope you continue to be good. You are a blessing to this family. You are loved, and know that. Be nice always, be good. You're blessed because you have wonderful parents and a wonderful family. God has blessed us all, and I thank God that I have you, your parents, your brother, and everyone. Enjoy your birthday, and one day soon I'll see you again. Happy birthday, Ayla. All the best to you as always. Mommy Soy.
Hi Ayla, hello. Kumusta na ang favorite ko? Kala mo si Coco Martin, no? Happy birthday. Love you, Ay. Ingat ka parati.
Hi Ayla, this is your Uncle Bean. Wishing you happy birthday. Mabilis ng panahon, 18 years old ka na. So, what I want to say to you is something that a priest friend of mine, whenever he sees me, always says, Bing, be good. So this is what I'm saying to you, Ayla. Be good. And God bless.
Hi Ayla, happy 18th birthday. Sayang wala kami dyan ni Uncle Bing. Since 18 ka na, ito yung stage na nakakalito. Alanganing bata, alanganing matanda. Pero meron akong 3 tips na ibibigay sa iyo in growing up. First, stay good, loving, and kind. Alam ko, madali yan sa iyo kasi mabait kang bata. Second, make wise choices and well-thought decisions. Think twice bago mo gawin isang bagay. And lastly, enjoy life. Huwag kang magmadali. Enjoy mo muna yung buhay bilang teenager. Okay? Kami ni Uncle Bing, ang wish namin sa iyo, have a wonderful life ahead. Nandito lang kami, nakasubaybay sa iyo. Happy 18th birthday. Bye!
Hi Ayla, happy birthday. Tagal na tayo hindi nagkita. We miss you and may you have more blessings to come. Enjoy your day. I love you. Love, Ate Celine.
Hi! Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. Enjoy your night and we wish you all the best. God bless always. Bye-bye. From Alexa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello! Hello, Ayla. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na kasi galing pa ako ng work. And I just have to rush just to make this birthday greetings. Kasi kinukulit na ako ng daddy mo. But anyway, I'm very thankful for Tito Deboy for giving me this opportunity to greet you on your birthday. So, happy birthday. Enjoy ka dyan, and I wish I could see you guys soon. I think the last time that we saw each other was when you were 3. Pero I'm sure you've grown to be a very beautiful lady now. So, lady ka na kasi 18 ka na. But anyway, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. Ate Ayla, God bless you. Kiss. Thank you.